Let's open that fluid up half a turn. That's it on. Proud of myself there. There's not one piece of silicone in sight, considering that thing was absolutely covered in it. I do have a couple of nicks in there, nothing major, like a few here and there. Nice gloss to it. I'm going to give that a good 5-10 minutes before I hit bake. And I'll probably give it a 25-minute bake, and yeah, happy day. Gotta love that classic a lot. Woo! This is why I love this job. And this one here, yeah, just a standard everyday boring answer. But still, you know, something you can still take some pride in. Nice and shiny, same colour again. Alright, see you to the next one. Gunman out. So that's this thing all baked out. Gave it about 25 minutes in the booth. 25 minutes bake, sorry, and held a nice glass, couple of bits of D-nibs here and there, but nothing major. Be happy with that. I'll give this an unmask and talk a bit of crap. A bit of company coming here.
Hey Zoe.
Yo!
You getting this out?
Why? Yeah?
Yeah, so Angelo wants me to spot up the Friday.
Oh.
Before we go home.
Okay. I was going to get mine in tonight, but I'll just go in with mine in the morning.
Oh, thanks.
Yep, got another one coming in, as always. Usually the way around here, one comes in, next one goes in. One comes out, sorry, next goes in. It's bloody hot today, I'll tell you what. Here we go, my little panel beta, mate. New panel beta started last week, and some of his repairs haven't been that good, but he's the first to admit. He said, man, I've been out of the trade for like 3 years, and he's listening to me. He's like, oh, what do you reckon about this repair, man? I gave him a few tips on how to sound his filler out a little bit better. He was crisscrossing too much. He just couldn't get them right. I'm like, man, sound with the direction of the panel, just like block this way, most of it. That's the direction the panel goes. Panel doesn't go that angle, it doesn't go that angle, you know. So I'd, like I said, on a flat panel like that, I'll do 90% of my blocking that way. I'll cross it up a little bit just to make sure I don't sort of like 50-cent piece it. Australian viewers will understand that. Take this bad boy out and he can get his Parado in for a spot repair. How'd you go, Benji? Yeah? Good shit. Gonna make it out there? Yeah, we'll squeeze out. Let's go for a drive, YouTube. Now we've got to find somewhere to park the bloody thing. Okay, so that's my car. I'm not going to double park myself in. Nearly 4 o'clock. See if we've got a bit of room out the back there. Got to be careful doing this. Better wear my seatbelt. I'm actually going on the road here. I've heard of people getting done out here from driving a car from the paint shop over to the detailing bay, get done with no tail light, get done without wearing a seatbelt. Bloody coppers have got nothing better to do than harass the working man sometimes. Good work, Kim. See how we went on this. Oh, that's much better. Good work, mate. Gunny's tricks coming good. Still touch low through there, but that's heaps better. Where the hell am I going to fix this bumper now? Get it up the top there. Close this. Huh? The Mazda 6? Yeah. It's next door.
Is that all on the end?
Hey?
That's on the end there.
Yeah, that's where I put it. What are you going to do on this? Didn't you already paint it?
Yeah, but fucking...
Oh, the colour.
Ray goes, don't worry about that, it's a fucking bucket of shit. I said, are you sure? I said, I'm doing one, not the other. He goes, nah, don't worry about it, just do the other. And now he goes, oh, why did you fucking paint it? It's a good controller. You know?
Did you check the colour or?
Yeah, I checked it, it's not too bad.
Because even that,
yeah, no,
that looks different to even that, which you painted both.
That as well.
Maybe you got an extra coat of pearl on one and less on the other or something?
I mean, this doesn't look that bad.
Hey?
This doesn't look
It doesn't look that bad.
outside.
Yeah, the booth lights don't really help, do they?
No.
Oh, well, so what, they want to get rid of it tonight and everything?
Yeah. Well, no, don't want to get rid
Just
of
done, do it tonight and go tomorrow.
it.
Yeah, happy days though.
Outside that doesn't look too bad, the other side.
Yeah?
I had to look at it already, you know?
Yep.